Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Skyscanner account. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Skyscanner app, then go to the profile section on the bottom right corner of the screen. And at the profile section, you just have to find the manage your account menu, which is here. And the first option here is your details. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up your details menu. And if you decided to delete the Skyscanner account, you no longer want to use the app, you just have to tap on account management, and you can find the delete account is going to be the last option. It is written in red, so you can't miss it. This will remove all stored info such as your personal details, travel documents, and loyalty cards. Please bear in mind that this can't be undone, and you just have to tap on it and confirm the delete. As you can see, are you sure that you want to delete your account? Please remember that this is permanent and can be undone, so they are warning you twice. And if you decided, you just have to tap on it and your account is going to be deleted forever. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.